Welcome to Lunch Break Wisdom. Short ideas from the world's most influential books, designed for a quiet break between work, a commute home, or a moment to think more clearly. Today's episode explores Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson. If Carl Sagan invited us to fall in love with the cosmos, Tyson invites us to understand it quickly enough to discuss it intelligently over lunch. This book was written for people who are curious but busy. People who want to understand the universe without earning a doctorate in theoretical physics. And perhaps that is one of its most important messages. You don't have to be a scientist to appreciate the cosmos. The universe belongs to all of us. Tyson begins by confronting a humbling reality. Human beings often overestimate their importance. Throughout history, civilizations imagined themselves at the center of existence. The Earth was believed to occupy the center of the universe. Then, astronomy revealed that Earth circles the Sun. The Sun proved to be an ordinary star. That star resides within an ordinary galaxy. That galaxy represents only one among hundreds of billions. This realization can trigger discomfort. If we are so small, do our lives matter? Tyson's answer resembles Carl Sagan's. Perspective does not eliminate meaning, rather it refines it. The first major theme of the book concerns the origin of everything. Modern cosmology suggests that approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the observable universe emerged from an extremely hot, dense state. Space expanded. Matter formed. Galaxies evolved. Stars ignited. Planets emerged. Eventually life appeared. Importantly, Tyson emphasizes that science continues refining these models. Uncertainty remains. New discoveries await. The lesson extends beyond cosmology. Intellectual honesty involves distinguishing between what we know, what we suspect, and what remains mysterious. Another fascinating topic involves dark matter. Everything visible in the universe, stars, planets, gas clouds, galaxies, appears to constitute only a small fraction of cosmic reality. Most matter seems invisible. Scientists infer its existence through gravitational effects. Galaxies rotate in ways suggesting additional mass beyond what telescopes detect. This unseen component became known as dark matter. The implications are extraordinary. Most of the universe consists of something humanity does not yet fully understand. Humility becomes unavoidable. People frequently assume that modern science has answered nearly every important question. Dark matter reminds us otherwise. Mystery persists. The book also explores dark energy. Even more perplexing than dark matter, dark energy appears related to the accelerating expansion of the universe. Rather than slowing under gravity, cosmic expansion increases. Scientists continue investigating why. Together, dark matter and dark energy comprise the overwhelming majority of the cosmos. The universe remains largely unknown, yet this realization need not discourage curiosity. It should inspire it. Another major theme involves scientific literacy. Tyson argues that understanding science matters even for those who never enter scientific professions. Scientific thinking strengthens citizenship, improves decision-making, enhances resilience against misinformation. People need not memorize equations. They benefit from understanding evidence, probability, causation, critical inquiry. These habits of mind prove valuable across disciplines. Another profound concept concerns the cosmic perspective. Tyson repeatedly encourages readers to zoom outward. Human beings divide themselves through nationality, religion, politics, race, economic status. Yet viewed from space, such distinctions disappear. Earth possesses no visible borders. The atmosphere sustaining life forms a remarkably thin layer. The realization invites humility. Tribal identities matter. Yet shared humanity matters too. The cosmic perspective softens arrogance. Another recurring theme involves the relationship between science and wonder. Some individuals fear that scientific explanations diminish beauty. Understanding rainbows somehow reduces their magic. Tyson disagrees completely, knowing that stars forge elements through nuclear fusion enhances awe. Understanding evolutionary processes enriches appreciation for life. Knowledge expands wonder. It transforms familiar experiences into invitations for deeper reflection. The book also examines the role of coincidence. People naturally search for patterns. Sometimes meaningful connections exist. Other times, randomness explains outcomes. Distinguishing between these possibilities requires careful reasoning. Humans possess remarkable capacities for storytelling. Stories organize experience, yet stories unsupported by evidence can mislead. Scientific thinking encourages balance, remain open, yet remain rigorous. Another important lesson involves intellectual humility. Tyson frequently reminds readers that being wrong constitutes an inevitable part of learning. Scientists revise theories, discard outdated models, update explanations. Admitting uncertainty represents strength rather than weakness. Outside science, many people resist changing their minds. Identity becomes entangled with beliefs. Revision feels threatening. Tyson offers another approach. Treat knowledge as provisional. Confidence and humility can coexist. Another fascinating topic concerns space exploration. Some individuals question investments in astronomy. Why study distant galaxies while challenges exist on Earth? Tyson argues that exploration expands possibility. Technological innovations emerge unexpectedly. Inspiration motivates future generations. Perhaps most importantly, exploration reflects something essential about humanity: curiosity, the desire to understand, the willingness to venture beyond familiar boundaries. Throughout history, explorers crossed oceans, scientists investigated invisible phenomena, astronauts left Earth entirely. Progress frequently begins with individuals asking what lies beyond. The book also explores the significance of Earth. Compared with cosmic scales, Earth appears tiny. Yet, from a human perspective, it remains irreplaceable. Every ecosystem, every culture, every relationship, every act of creativity unfolds here. The cosmic perspective does not encourage indifference. It encourages stewardship. Protecting Earth becomes an expression of gratitude and responsibility. Another recurring theme involves identity. People often define themselves narrowly: occupations, achievements, social groups. Tyson invites broader identification. You are simultaneously a citizen of a nation, a member of a species, an inhabitant of Earth, and a participant in cosmic history. The atoms composing your body originated within ancient stars. Your existence reflects billions of years of unfolding complexity. This realization expands perspective. Toward the conclusion of the book, Tyson emphasizes curiosity as virtue. Questions matter. Children naturally exhibit wonder. Why is the sky blue? Where did everything come from? What are stars? Unfortunately, many adults lose this orientation. Responsibilities accumulate. Practical concerns dominate. The book gently encourages reclaiming curiosity. Wonder enriches life. Questions deepen experience. Perhaps the greatest lesson of astrophysics for people in a hurry is this: the universe owes us no explanations. Yet somehow, through extraordinary chains of events, conscious beings emerged capable of seeking them. People can contemplate black holes while commuting to work, reflect upon cosmic origins during lunch breaks, discuss quantum mechanics over coffee. This capacity itself deserves appreciation. Life remains finite. Knowledge remains incomplete. Mystery persists, yet curiosity transforms existence because every question asked sincerely expands awareness. Every discovery reveals additional horizons. Every moment of wonder reminds people that ordinary life unfolds within an extraordinary universe. Perhaps meaning arises not despite cosmic vastness, but partly because of it. Against overwhelming odds, the universe became conscious. It became curious. It became capable of love, imagination, and inquiry through us. And perhaps the most fitting response is not fear, but gratitude. Gratitude for the opportunity to participate, however briefly, in the grand adventure of understanding. Because for a short time between birth and death, we get to ask questions. We get to seek truth, we get to look upward, and we get to marvel that we are here at all. In summary, key concepts from the Astrophysics for People in a Hurry. 1. The universe is mostly unknown. Dark matter and dark energy dominate reality. 2. Scientific literacy matters. Critical thinking strengthens society. 3. The cosmic perspective expands identity. Shared humanity becomes more visible. 4. Knowledge deepens wonder. Understanding enriches appreciation. 5. Humility supports growth. Being wrong facilitates learning. 6. Exploration reflects human nature. Curiosity drives progress. 7. Gratitude for existence. Conscious life represents something extraordinary. Everyday takeaways for you. Remain curious even amidst busy schedules. Distinguish evidence from assumption. Zoom out when daily frustrations feel overwhelming. Appreciate Earth's uniqueness. Allow wonder to coexist with rational inquiry. Stay open to revising beliefs when evidence changes. If you could ask the universe one question and receive a guaranteed answer, what would you ask? Share your curiosity below and recommend future books for lunch break wisdom. Please subscribe and comment.